Oh, yeah, I don't know how to respond to how are you doing today or how are you doing today. Genuinely, I'm doing fine if that's the answer. But apart from that, I just woke up, and it's hard to believe that I woke up at 5 p.m. today. कल मेरा legs day था, so I don't know how to describe how am I feeling right now. Yeah, it just started, man. I just got lucky at the right time, at the right place, to be honest. Because I was born in a family which was of business people. Though we were not that fortunate when it comes to money, but my father, my grandfather, my uncle, everybody was fortunate to see ups and downs of the entrepreneurship journey. So we were rich in experience. At the time when I started entrepreneurship journey, we were not that rich monetarily, but experience-wise, they were really, really up. Because my father saw three cycles of the business by the time I got into it. And then, like, my father's factory got fire. So it caught fire. Then again, the downfall started coming. Then he faced like a huge loss when recession was there. The Great Depression time around 2008, 2009. Global market went fucked. So till 2010, 2011, 12ish, my dad's business went horrible. He was down. I think I remember he was in 2011. He was in loss for 25,000 per month or something like that. I don't remember exact year, but it was some year when he was after the fire. This is what happened. So he saw all of this, and he tried his luck as a trader, as a manufacturer, as a brand maker, and all those things became really, really like a backbone for me. So when I started, my only objective was that I had two objectives. Number one, I need to prove everyone who's making fun of me, because I was not good at anything. I was not born with a silver spoon that I was, and silver spoon, what I mean is not in terms of family, in terms of I was not blessed with good academics. I was not good at studies. I was not blessed with athletic body, so I was not good at sports as well. And I was not, in my entire family, there was no one who was speaking in English. So I couldn't speak in English either. Till 12th, I was not good at English. So I was like kind of this kid, right? So I wanted to prove everyone that, oh, I have it in me, regardless of whether I'm a useless kid or I'm not. I have it in me. I'm going to make it big. That was one. And number two, I wanted to get rich, because I thought the only way to prove people wrong is to become rich. And then I was having this conversation with my father. I was like, Dad, I want to become rich. What should I do? And then the business started, like, we should do job or we should do business. And slowly brainstorming happened. And then I got into business. And then we started, it became very, very natural for me to choose dishwash gel business, because my father was already in the chemical trading and detergent manufacturing business. So since he was manufacturing detergents already, he helped me build dishwash gel. And then I started playing in that particular segment and helped my father grow his business and expanded my business at the same time. Then in 2015-16, me and Dad, we decided why not we do this one thing, because we both are going good. So let's do one thing. My father said, I'll take care of the production part, you take care of the marketing part, because I see that you're a good storyteller. So I took over the entire marketing. My father took over the entire production. And then we expanded. We came to a level where we are today. So it went on pretty well.